Hello, how often should I review charts for swing trading? Well, in 2026, I like to do it during the weekend, but I have not been doing it the way I would want to do it. So I have a long list of stocks that I want to just analyze them over the weekend, and then stocks that I like to buy or sell, I will flag them, change the color of the phone. That way, during the week, like around noon time, I will reanalyze those that I have in red. I will analyze them to see if I have it. Like in this case, if I want to buy it again or sell it, and if I don't have it yet, that means I want to sell it. I want to buy it. I will analyze them again to see if one is if any is positioned for me to make the to take the to um, put in motion the decision that I plan for, like to buy or to sell. So every day during the week, I will just review the list to see the one that I put in red to buy during the week or to sell during the week, and perform those actions throughout the week for them. And then during the weekend again, reanalyze every single one of the stocks again and flag the one that the following week I would like to buy or I would like to sell, because I have it in the portfolio and I have the profit that I'm looking for accumulated in it. So that is the schedule I like to follow this year, but it does not mean that's the only schedule out there to follow. Like the past 2 years, 2024, 2025, I analyze stocks on a daily basis, but I have a smaller list back then, especially in 2024, using short Uptrend swing trading strategy. I pretty much analyze the stock on a daily basis. In 2025, when I switched to long Uptrend swing trading strategy, I analyze stocks on a daily basis at the beginning, but then I didn't continue it like that, and that um, gave me the idea of doing it during the weekend. And in 2026, because I plan of analyzing them during the weekend, I went from 70 or so of stocks for 2025 watch list, and 2024 watch list is smaller in the CCs or so. And in 2026, because I want to take my time and do it during the weekend, I went to, I think I have 195 stocks right now in here. I moved one out of here recently, and I have 67 stocks here as well. And those two, analyze them during the weekend, and then flag the one that I would like to buy during the week as I see it coming down, but not yet close to the valley line, and the one that are already close to the valley line, flag them so that I can keep an eye on them during the week to buy them. And if one is already where I want to sell, flag those as well. The one that I already purchased are highlighted, the sell is highlighted for those. So that is the schedule that I have, and I think it depends on the strategy you are using as well, that you might have a more relaxed schedule on how often you will review those charts, and or be more or doing it more often. But those are the two ways I did it the past 3 years, including this year. But I need to do more. I need to do better by analyzing this during the weekend, because when I don't do that analysis, I don't really buy stocks during the week, because I like to analyze them and flag the one that I'm going to buy. So that being said, today is March 8, 2026. We are going to analyze SYK. Is now in our portfolio. So therefore, our analysis will consist of whether to buy during the week or not. So when I'm looking at SYK, no, it's not the time to buy. And why is that? Here is where the price is. Where is it coming from? It's coming from the top of the mountain. So therefore, we are going to wait on it because we have those two value lines that we like to buy it at, and right now is nowhere near it. It might be going down, we don't know. It tends to pull back to this support line and go back up from there, but we don't want to buy there if that is a support line supporting the upside wall of the mountain that is claiming for the past 3 years. We have the dates on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up, and those dotted lines are years. So 1, 2, 3 are 3 years that it has been climbing this mountain, pulling back to this support line. But it could be a supporting line supporting the upside wall of the mountain. If that is the case, we don't know it's going to be when it's going to be done with that mountain climbing, and will decide to come down to the valley. So for that reason, we prefer not to buy it there. And when you are looking at the maximum on the maximum monthly chart, is quite steep. We have a steep growth there, and that's what makes me think those support lines are supporting the upside wall of the mountain that is climbing. So we decided to buy it at either one of those two support line passing by the higher lows here. So we don't have this one, we have only 2 touch points, and this one we have more touch point, but it's further in the past. So we are just going to continue observing it. One thing I'm going to take a look at when I'm analyzing that steep growth there is the last time it was higher up, it was more than a year ago. So, but I still just don't think this is a valid line. It's just too steep to be a valid line. But I don't know. We are just going to continue observing it. It could turn around here and continue going up here. We are just going to continue observing it. We can go back to maximum monthly chart and try to look at the previous cycle here. It did that in 2 years. So when it left here, it was 1, 2, 3, 4 years ago. So yeah, and when we are looking at this one here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in here as well. So but here 2 years, and here we are 4 years in already. So we are just going to continue observing it to see if it's normal for it to be just that steep of a growth and pull back down here, or if this is going to be the new valley line for it. So thank you so much for watching our videos. It's not a buy for us just yet, but again, who knows, as time goes by, we keep finding more candlestick added to it, we might change our mind and decide to buy some there, and if it comes down here, buy it again. But until then, our answer is no, we are not buying anything. And we bought these stocks in the past before. That's why we have those arrows there. Arrows facing upward are where we purchased it, arrow facing downward are where we sold. So we purchased it somewhere there and sold it somewhere there the last time we trade these stocks. So thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments. We thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account from there. For more swing trading videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step using long option line. in the description of this video, and we do have other swing trading related playlists in the description of this video as well. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.